guys, welcome back. We are hoping to have the candy apple Miniverse in here. So far we have the other two, the pumpkin spice and the pumpkin pie. So let's open it and see what we get. Well, we know it's a new one because the table's different. So each one has a particular table pattern.
Let me get these back.
And this is what this one looks like. Candy apples.
Why do you
this is the
leave
candy
the
apple
all the
bag.
time?
Yeah.
Why that's the
We have a
resin?
little
My resin
tray
is-
mat.
The cutest apple.
Oh my gosh, those are adorable. And the caramel.
I wonder what could be in here.
We should have some sprinkles too.
Oh, I got the crumble.
Crumbles and
I
sprinkles.
got my sprinkles. I got these sprinkles.
Oh, in the tray.
And I got those sprinkles. I put on the red one.
Oh, how cute.
This
Pumpkin.
is literally a duplicate.
I'm gonna
keeping
put that
this one
in there.
in my room for my best friends. So
Look how tiny these are. These are so adorable.
Almost with a spoon. I guess
Yep.
to scoop out the caramel.
Okay, so we're just gonna dip the apples and sprinkle them. Should be pretty easy. And they did one of each, where one has crumbles, one has sprinkles, and one is plain. I'll probably follow that. However, I think I'm gonna get a little piece of parchment paper because I don't want to put them on there. I want to be able to remove them, I think. What do you think? Should I remove them? Okay, let's see if they can all even fit on the tray. I could get them out. There we go.
Oh.
Yeah, you can get them out. Those are so cute. I could probably do 1, 2, 3 like that. I don't know that I want to stick them to that cute little mat though.
They even have the bottom of the apple.
Yeah. What would you do?
I'm not sure. I'll probably dip it like the bottom in first and like hold it outside maybe.
Oh, that's a good idea. You're smart. Okay, we'll do
And
that.
then do the other part while it's
We need to cut open our crumbles. Last time I did crumbles, I used like the top of the lid.
Which I think that was for a strawberry shortcake.
Bottom of the lid. There's little holes in there, but I think it'll be just fine.
They're a little too big.
Yeah. And then where's the sprinkles? Did we get a can? Oh, here it is.
Fine.
She snuck it over to the side. We have some orange and black sprinkles. Super cute. So we'll get all those ready. Let's grab this. Should I do the plain one first? Or should I do that one last?
But I would say the plain one maybe first. Because it's the simplest.
Trying to like swirl it in there. But they also gave a spoon, so you can use that as well. I feel like this should be coated twice because I don't think it's going to look very caramely
Yeah, it doesn't
with
look
one
too
coat.
caramely.
At least for just the plain caramel one. Maybe I'll put sprinkles on this one. And of course you try to not get the resin on you, but if you do, just wash your hands. I wipe it off and then wash my hands because it leaves like a greasy or sticky kind of feel. I'm gonna do this one first. I'm gonna save the regular one for last, I think.
Yeah.
Because I want to put extra caramel on it.
Extra.
Extra. Do I do the bottom too?
Sure.
I think that's cute. Let's go dry them outside. I think that one turned out pretty nicely. If it's focusing, I'll show them all again at the end. Now I'm gonna do the crumble. And I think I'll do my same method where I dip it, swirl it, and then I'll use the spoon to get everything on there. Don't need much, definitely. Alright. Have my crumble bag. And let's dump. Could have like put this in a bowl. There we go. Some of those pieces are very big. Oh my gosh, that's adorable though. Need a little bit over here. And I'm gonna run it outside so it can set up. Okay, that one's cured. So cute. And then we'll do the last one. I'm gonna put those under the UV, I think, a lot more too. All right, I plan on dipping this twice probably, letting it set and then dipping it again. So it's very caramely. There's a decent enough left in there. And I'll take the spoon and kind of brush that downwards. I think that's good. All right, so this is outside just until it started to harden. We're gonna put it back in there, twirl it around. Maybe kind of smooth it on the side. There we go, that's very caramely. I think that'll be perfect. I don't know if I'll try to smooth. No, I think it looks good like that. Okay, so I think that came out really nice. We have that one. Doesn't want to sit up very nicely. Then we have the crumble one. Put that one there. And lastly, we have the one with the sprinkles. They fit all three on the tray if you kind of stagger them. That's what they look like. If you missed us making the pumpkin pie or the pumpkin spice latte, check out our videos. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.